When do you get home? When do you get home?
I get home around 6. I get home around 6.
Are you hungry now? Are you hungry now?
Yes, I'm getting pretty hungry. Yes, I'm getting pretty hungry.
What do you do first? What do you do first?
I wash my hands first. I wash my hands first.
Where do you go next? Where do you go next?
I walk into the kitchen. I walk into the kitchen.
What are you making tonight? What are you making tonight?
I'm making chicken and vegetables. I'm making chicken and vegetables.
Where is the chicken? Where is the chicken?
It's in the fridge. It's in the fridge.
How do you get it out? How do you get it out?
I take it from the fridge. I take it from the fridge.
What vegetables do you need? What vegetables do you need?
I need carrots and broccoli. I need carrots and broccoli.
Where do you put everything? Where do you put everything?
I put it on the counter. I put it on the counter.
What do you prepare first? What do you prepare first?
I start with the vegetables. I start with the vegetables.
How do you wash them? How do you wash them?
I rinse them under cold water. I rinse them under cold water.
What do you do with carrots? What do you do with carrots?
I peel them with a peeler. I peel them with a peeler.
How do you cut them? How do you cut them?
I slice them into small pieces. I slice them into small pieces.
How do you cut broccoli? How do you cut broccoli?
I cut it into small pieces. I cut it into small pieces.
Where do you put them? Where do you put them?
I put them in a bowl. I put them in a bowl.
What do you prepare next? What do you prepare next?
I prepare the chicken next. I prepare the chicken next.
How do you cut the chicken? How do you cut the chicken?
I cut it into small pieces. I cut it into small pieces.
Where do you get a pan? Where do you get a pan?
I get one from the cabinet. I get one from the cabinet.
What do you do next? What do you do next?
I put the pan on stove. I put the pan on stove.
How do you start cooking? How do you start cooking?
I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove.
What do you add first? What do you add first?
I add a little oil. I add a little oil.
When do you add chicken? When do you add chicken?
I add it when oil's hot. I add it when oil's hot.
How do you cook it? How do you cook it?
I stir it with a spatula. I stir it with a spatula.
How long do you cook it? How long do you cook it?
I cook it for 10 minutes. I cook it for 10 minutes.
What do you add next? What do you add next?
I add the vegetables next. I add the vegetables next.
Why are your eyes watering? Why are your eyes watering?
Wait, I'm cutting an onion. Wait, I'm cutting an onion.
Do you need the onion? Do you need the onion?
Yes, it adds more flavor. Yes, it adds more flavor.
How do you cut it? How do you cut it?
I chop it very quickly. I chop it very quickly.
What do you add for flavor? What do you add for flavor?
I add salt and pepper. I add salt and pepper.
How much salt do you add? How much salt do you add?
I add just a little. I add just a little.
Did you add too much? Did you add too much?
Oh no, I think so. Oh no, I think so.
How does it taste? How does it taste?
Wow, it's really salty. Wow, it's really salty.
Can you fix it? Can you fix it?
Yes, I can add vegetables. Yes, I can add vegetables.
Does it taste better now? Does it taste better now?
Yes, it tastes much better. Yes, it tastes much better.
How do you mix everything? How do you mix everything?
I stir everything together. I stir everything together.
Is the chicken ready? Is the chicken ready?
Yes, it's cooked through. Yes, it's cooked through.
What do you turn off? What do you turn off?
I turn off the stove. I turn off the stove.
Where do you get plates? Where do you get plates?
I get them from the cabinet. I get them from the cabinet.
How many plates do you need? How many plates do you need?
I only need one tonight. I only need one tonight.
How do you serve dinner? How do you serve dinner?
I put everything on my plate. I put everything on my plate.
Where do you eat dinner? Where do you eat dinner?
I eat at the kitchen table. I eat at the kitchen table.
What do you drink? What do you drink?
I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water.
How does dinner taste? How does dinner taste?
It tastes pretty good now. It tastes pretty good now.
Did you finish everything? Did you finish everything?
Yes, my plate is empty. Yes, my plate is empty.
What do you do afterward? What do you do afterward?
I take my plate to sink. I take my plate to sink.
Where do leftovers go? Where do leftovers go?
I put them in a container. I put them in a container.
Where do you keep them? Where do you keep them?
I put them in the fridge. I put them in the fridge.
How do you clean the counter? How do you clean the counter?
I wipe it with a cloth. I wipe it with a cloth.
Are you finished now? Are you finished now?
Yes, the kitchen is clean. Yes, the kitchen is clean.
Did you forget anything? Did you forget anything?
Oh no. The dishes. Oh no. The dishes.